Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple ID has not yet been used with the iTunes store. If you are using any iPhone or any iPad and you're facing this type of issue that whenever you try to install any app from your app store, you see a pop-up error that this Apple ID has not yet been used in the iTunes store or the app store. So let's see how can you fix the issue. You just have to simply go back from here. You have to open your settings app. Very first you have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. Then go back, open your general section, go to software update, and you have to try to update your software. If you find it when software update, just try to update your software. After updating your software, go back and here just scroll down. Look for the VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you're connected, try to disconnect with the VPN, then go back from here. Go to date and time section and you have to make sure that this toggle to set your date and time automatically has been enabled. So after enabling, you just have to simply go back and here you have to retry or recheck if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, you have to open your app store and here just tap on your Apple ID in the top right. Then tap on your Apple ID again to open your Apple ID page. But very first, you can just tap on your Apple ID here and just try to sign out from your account. So just look for the sign out option here. Here's the sign out option. Just select that. And once your Apple ID has been signed out, just tap on the sign in with the Apple account and re-sign in with your same Apple ID. Or you can also try to switch your Apple ID if you have another Apple ID. So after switching, method will be perfect work on your iPhone, so it will not get the issue again. Or after re-signing in, you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so just tap on your Apple ID here and just verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password. So after entering your Apple ID password, you'll get your Apple ID page here. Just in this type section, there's account settings. So you just have to select the country or region option from here. And from here, you have to select your own country or region in which you're living. So just wait for this loading here and then select your own country or region in which you're living. Once you find, just select that. Then select this continue option. And here just select agree in the top right. And here you have to try to add your payment method. If you haven't any payment method, so you can also try to select none option here. And here just enter your billing address, then your phone number, and then your name. Once you have done all of this, just tap on the done option in the top right and your issue will be fixed. Your billing address and your payment method will be updated on your Apple ID, so it will fix your issue. Or in some ways, or in some cases, if your issue is still not fixed, so you just have to look for Apple Sport app in your iPhone. You can directly install it from your app store, or you can use Apple Sport Web. So here you have to select iPhone here, then select the subscriptions and purchases option, then select enable the purchase. Or you can also go back, tap on this more option here, and then look for iTunes Store. Select that. You can also select App Store here, but I'm going to select iTunes Store. Just select Get More Help, then tap on Call Us, and after that you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number, and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from this. After that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.